everyone. Today we have a rhinoplasty. The patient is like around 40 years old and he has a severe breathing problem from his left cavity of his nose. Anyway, so at the same time, both he has a deviation in his septum, that separates each cavity from its side at the middle, and at the same time he has severe external deviation. And the deviation is exactly to his right, and the septum is deviated to left. Mostly they deviated contralaterally each other anyway. So I'm going to just open the nose skin and I will perform open rhinoplasty for this kind of situation. And I will open it and I will first fix the septum, and then I will start to fix the external shape with some shaping the cartilages and at the same time the bony segment. Maybe during surgery I can talk to you something later. Bye-bye. Hello everyone. Yeah, I have finished septal rhinoplasty. It took like around 2 hours and 15 minutes, which is a normal duration for rhinoplasty. So what I have done, I opened and I see he had a trauma on his septum, and the septum was broken, and that's why it was deviated. And from that broken side, I took the septal part, excessive part actually, to use to reshape the cartilages anyway. Then when I took that part, septum started to be in the midline, and the midline septum will not give any effect to the ax deviation. The nose can be just straight. Anyway, then I realized there is an asymmetry in his lower cartilages, which is the tip of the nose cartilage. So what I have done to that cartilages, it was like looking this, and I just elevate this one a little bit, make it down this, and make them symmetric. And nose is now from external side straight and from internal side straight. But as I said to him before surgery, and I can clarify it here, and you can all see and listen this. So at the time of the operation, I made all the things inside straight, and you can be pleased after like in 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Yes, doctor, thank you very much. You will thank me. Why? Because I made it straight. But please don't forget, the cartilage has bad memory. That's why it memorized the position for years, it keeps. And that's why it could deviate it to the same level. But of course, we have something to block that deviation. We'll see. I don't think, as in my experience, I don't think he is going to have any else deviation, but we'll see. And I did my best. Thank you very much. I'll see you for the next operation.